We are diving into a plate of pure indulgence. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we introduce you to the irresistible delight known as animal fries. First things first, slice your potato very nice and clean. Give it a slice, like this, and now give it a stripe, fine and nice stripe, like this. You have to be consistent with your knife, guys, and take your time in this process. Now we have to boil our potatoes for around 15 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm just crushing black pepper over the top and let them boil for around 15 minutes. I'm using around 300 grams of boneless chicken. Now slice your chicken in stripes. Let your pan heat and slice 3 to 4 tomatoes julienne. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, chopped onion, julienne tomatoes, and 2 green chilies. Stir fry around 3 to 4 minutes and then add your chicken. Now add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 100 grams of corn, 2 tablespoons oregano. Now give it a proper mix and fry more around 3 to 4 minutes. Then add around 100 grams of ketchup. After adding ketchup, you have to keep flipping it. Now add around 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. And again, you have to mix it. Keep flipping it. See the thickness? When you get this sort of thickness, add 50 ml water and then close the lid around just for 10 minutes. And that the sauce will be ready. Now you can see the thickness. Our chicken and corn sauce is ready. Now strain your potatoes. And wash them with the coldest water you have. It will give your potato a very crispy texture when you'll fry it. For more crispiness, you have to crack an egg. Yes. Now whisk it, break the yolk. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it again. Now brush this egg mix over your potatoes on the top gently so your potato won't break. Sprinkle around 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour over the top and mix them gently. Add 150 ml oil. I'm using corn oil, you can use any vegetable oil. Let it heat and then add your potatoes. Yes. Let them fry for around 10 to 15 minutes for best golden and crispy texture. As you can see, the balance of the golden crispiness is here. Strain your potatoes properly so they won't get oily. Two teaspoons of tikka masala and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Toss them nicely. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread it all over the pan. I'm using around 75 grams of cheddar cheese and let it melt properly. Like this. First layer is of potatoes. Now place your sauce over the top. Fill the gaps. For the first layer. Now add your olives. I'm using green olives. Topped with carrot, I like it. Now add your melted cheddar cheese over the top on the first layer. Melt your mozzarella cheese on the other side. Place your sauce over the fries. Place all the remaining sauce you have over the fries. Now place your olives. Now this is a delicate dance of flavors and combination that elevate the entire experience. Whether you are serving these fries on your own or sharing them with your friends and family, one thing for sure, this treat will give you unforgettable experience. This is animal fries from High on Food. If you like this recipe and your video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. High on Food, it helps us to grow more. Thank you.